Over here.
Yeah.
Looks like you got a land office business going over here.
Well, I just did awards on it.
Yeah.
And,
Did I win anything? You're on candid camera.
you should be good.
How have you been, Candy? You still got it. You still got it.
He's always happy.
Watch out now. This is going on YouTube, you guys.
I don't care.
I'm getting all the pretty girls and all the fancy cars. How's Danny doing? Is he doing all right? Is he doing what he's supposed to do?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Oh, God, that breeze feels good.
Doesn't it? The breeze almost took all our crap away down there. It was frightening.
You know, if you had brought your bike out here, you'd probably 145.
It's right around the corner.
Too late now.
Well, I forgot. I just didn't think about it. I'd have had to have cleaned it up too. And you know, that's a beauty right there. Triumph 650. Restored to original. It's nice. Well, I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to go back and sit down and make more money for the Citizens Patrol.
There you go.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Hi, ma'am. My Harley's right around the corner if somebody wants to go get it. Too late now. Oh, that's nice. Do you know this car? Do you know this car?
Yeah, I own it.
Do you? 42, 46?
40.
It is a 40. Okay. You know, I rode up to Playland at the beach in a Dodge, and it had a rumble seat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was about a 36 or 37. You ever seen one of those?
No.
It had a rumble seat.
Not at all.
And we rode, the reason I remember is because we rode in the back and it's so damn cold. San Francisco in the summertime, you know. Well, I better get back to my tri-tip sales, but I thought I'd come. It's a beautiful car, by the way. I hope you got a plaque for it because it is good. It deserves one. I wonder who sponsored that plaque. Do you know?
It's Strawberry Festival.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, sponsored all.
By All Service
Service
Propane.
Propane,
That's
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Those are good folks over there. All right. I'm glad you got one because it's a beauty. Boy, you just don't see these. That's nice. Oh, geez, that's nice. I love the old Falcon. Hey, Harry, here's your car. This Dodge is beautiful right here. It's a beautiful car. Plymouth.